Hi, today we are going to learn about how to create a search ad. Okay, where does the search ad appear means on the search engine's results page of Google. For suppose, search ad is an intent based ad which uh, shows impressions only based upon the keywords that we are using in our Google AdWords. For suppose you can see here buy tennis racket. For this keyword the ad is showing up from capitalonlineshopping.com, and the ads maybe appear on search engine's results page on the top or on the bottom as well, and it may be shown like this ad, or sometimes it may be shown as sponsored. And how can we create this search engine ad? Let's learn brief about this. To create a search ad, click on new campaign, select new campaign, and create a campaign without goal and guidance. If we select any of these, we have less control on our campaign. To get more control, we have to select create a campaign with goal and guidance, then search campaign, and next click on continue. And what does the campaign name do you want? And here it's showing select results that you want to get from this campaign: website visits, phone calls, or app downloads. If you want, you can check it from here, and you can you can give the website visits, or if you want phone calls, you can give it phone numbers from here, or else app downloads you can check it. But we can set it up in final as well when we are running the before running the campaign. Okay, next, let in our ideal case, let's pick an advertiser like investment related client. So invest on, let's set up the name September lead gen campaign. Let's next click on continue, start as a new, and next it's showing what do you focus on this campaign. Like Google will be charged based upon this bidding strategy only. For suppose you wanna pay Google for clicks or impression share, conversions, or conversion value. There are different types of bid strategies. I will make a dedicated video for about bid strategies. So in our case today, let's select clicks. We can track conversions as well by setting up the conversion tracking in Google Ads. Okay, next in further videos we can go ahead and set up that. And here you can see set a maximum cost per click bid limit, it's showing here. If you check this box, we have to set how much CPC you are willing to pay for Google. Like you are willing to pay 30 rupees per each click or 50 rupees per each click, which we can define based upon the research. Or Google doesn't take 50 for each click. It depends like where our ad is showing and how much competition is there for that keyword. Based upon that only the CPC will be deducted from our account. Okay, and let in our case I'm setting it as manual, and Google has a lot of data, so we can go ahead with automated bidding strategies that could be benefit for us as well. And next click on next. Okay, and next we have campaign settings, and in campaign next settings first we have network. What does this means? Google has many partnered websites and display partners where we can show our ads. For suppose if we check this box, Google will show our ads which has capacity of search in their app. For example, OLX has an app in India where you can search for suppose cars or something like that, and our ads may appear as well if you are running a campaign related to cars. Okay, and if display network means Google will automatically create a fold or card. It shows on a website in a display banner size, and sometimes you can see it appears on YouTube on the bottom only. uh, the name, the words will be there, nothing will be there. So it may be appear on YouTube display partner networks and in YouTube as well. So in our case we don't need this, so I'm unchecking this. Okay, and in campaign settings next we have location. We can target all countries and territories where Google is present. Any part of the country we can target from here. And if you we can target all over the India as well if you need. And next we have an enter another location. That means if you want to target in a particular location, for suppose let's see if I need to target Hyderabad only in India, I can select Hyderabad. If I click on target, it will target the campaign will be targeted to only the Hyderabad locality. And if I click on exclude, the campaign will exclude, and it will not serve our ads in Hyderabad. Okay, and what does the nearby means? It will show nearby places in Hyderabad. You can check these boxes and it will target only to that places. Okay, in our case, let's select Hyderabad as a target option. And here next we have advanced search. For suppose you have in a particular area to target for something like in Hyderabad, you have particular area to target Balnagar and yeah, Balnagar, Telangana, India. See, it shows the areas as well. If you want to target, you can target, or if you want to exclude, you can exclude, or else you can search nearby places and you can target. You can add bulk location as well by checking this box. And for suppose you as an advertiser want to serve your ads only to the limited people in the limited area, then you can check this radius here, and you can drop the pin anywhere here. Like if you have a restaurant or something business which is in Manikonda, people needs to visit there, then you can drop the pin there and click on target. It will target 20 miles around Manikonda. If you need to change it to kilometers, you can change it to kilometers. And if you need to increase the range to 100, you can increase. And you can target as much as 1 kilometer less onto 800 kilometers the wide area. You can target with this option. Okay, and that's about advanced search. In our case, we just target to Hyderabad location. And next we have location options. What does this means? For suppose uh, people are interested in investment related services and searching from uh, other than Hyderabad. For suppose people who are searching from Bangalore, like investment related services in Hyderabad, putting Hyderabad in the keeping Hyderabad in keyword in their search, then our ads may be shown to them as well. If we check target presence or interest. Okay, and if we select the presence, it's straightforward. It shows our ads only the people who are in the local areas, like in only Hyderabad area. Okay, it's pretty straight. We need to serve our ads only in Hyderabad, so I just keep it as a presence. And next we have language. We can target any languages like English, Telugu, Hindi, English, so many languages. And if you want to target all languages, you can target all languages as well. And if you need, you can see many languages are there. You can target any of this language. And next we have audience segment. The audience segment is not much useful for Google's search engine. So let's we can make a different video about search audience segments. Okay, and next we have for there's a new option in this new Google Ads. If you want to use broad match, you have to set your campaign as a set as a conversion. Set your campaign's bidding as a conversion. Then only you can use broad keyword match. It may be helpful. And next we have more settings. In more settings, first we have ad rotation. Okay, first we have optimize prefer best performing ads. In a campaign, if you are running multiple ads, and Google will automatically select which the best performing ads shows many times than the not performing ads. That's the meaning of optimize. And do not optimize means there are 3 or 4 campaigns running, ads running in your campaign, then Google will automatically rotate the ads and shows to the users. Okay, and in our case, let's select optimize and let it be same. And next we have start date and date. When you want to start this campaign, like you want to start in the future or you want to schedule, you can do that. You can schedule if you want to start on the 6th of September, and if you want to end this campaign on 30th of September, you can do that. Okay, that it's pretty straightforward. We need to select start date and end date for this campaign. And next we have ad schedule. For suppose you want a business, you have a business which needs to be like which runs in a particular time, like Monday to Friday 9 to 5 or something like that. It runs only on weekend, Saturday, Sunday. In that case, you can go ahead here and you can schedule the ad. You can schedule Monday to Friday along with timing as well, what time your business starts and what time it ends, or else you can set any particular day as well, or else you can set on Saturday, Sundays as well. Okay, it's also pretty straightforward. And next we have campaign URL. Okay, what does the campaign URL means? If you wanna track more details, like if you wanna track from where the user is getting from mobile or desktop or tablet or many other features are there, you can just implement some syntax tracking syntax here. It will directly shows in our analytics. So it's about URL options in tracking. And next we have brand restrictions. You can create a brand list where our ad can be shown. It's pretty straightforward. You can create a list of some keywords which is related to our campaign or our products. Then you can create brand list in tools and settings. Then you can apply it to all the campaigns. Okay, and it will our ads may be trigger for those keywords as well. And after all this, next click on next. Okay, here comes the ad group. We have to name ad group here. I lead gen, just naming as lead gen ad group. And you need to, for this search ad, the main USP is to it shows only based upon the keyword. So you need to prepare keywords for this campaign. We have an inbuilt Google keyword planner where you can search for keywords, and it shows all the data like what is the search volume, how many clicks we get from that. It's an assumption, okay, and what will be the maximum CPC and minimum CPC as well. But based upon this, you can pick the keywords which are relevant to us, okay, or else you can directly paste the website URL here. It will automatically picks keywords here. For suppose I'm taking from this I'm taking from this URL. Then it will automatically pop up the keywords here. It will automatically pop up the keywords here, and it will pick from it. The Google will crawl from our website, and keywords may be shown here. Or else, if you don't want to do this, you can go to Keyword Planner and search for keywords, and you can take and implement this here. So I have just created some of the keywords for this ad purpose. I have just picked up the random keywords for this campaign. So I'm just taking few of the keywords and I'm pasting it here. Okay. Else you can enter the product or services which your products and services you and the Google suggests the keywords based upon that. And if you enter the keywords, Google will automatically, it's showing automatically weekly clicks are 475 on weekly cost will be this much and the average CPC will be this much. This is an assumption. This is not the right which Google is showing. It can be little bit more or little bit less based upon the competition we have there. And when it comes to keywords, we have different types of keywords here. We have broad match, phrase match, and exact match. What does this means? If you go to here, this is a Google Help Center article. We have a broad match, phrase match, and exact match keywords. For suppose for the keyword lawn moving services, you can see for broad match, if there is any word lawn in their keyword, the Google will automatically shows ads to them. And lawn or as well if they're having the moving services or something like that, the Google automatically pop-ups our ad in broad match. To get more clicks or something, you are starting as a new website or something, you are starting as a new blog, we can use broad match which may get more clicks. And next we have phrase match. Phrase match means ads may show on search that include the meaning of your keyword. For suppose someone is looking for lawn moving services, or we have kept our keyword in a phrase match of lawn moving, the Google will show like it shows only the meaning which has lawn moving related, like lawn moving services near me, hire company, or landscape services to cut grass, something like that. Okay, and these keywords are different. Broad match keyword no need to be put anything or input anything there. For phrase match, we have to input double quotes, starting and ending of the keyword. And for exact match, Ads may shown on search that has same meaning as your keyword. For suppose someone is looking for lawn moving services, it should be same like lawn moving services, grass cutting services. It shows only to those type of people. The ads will be pop up in those type of keywords only. Okay, it is mentioned in closed brackets on the starting and ending of the campaign. Okay, that's about brief about keywords. For suppose this is a broad match. If you add double quotes here, it become phrase match. And if we add closed brackets here at the starting and ending of the keyword, it becomes the exact match. That's pretty simple. In our case, let's go ahead with broad match only. Mostly the recommended campaigns or mostly the industry will follow only the phrase match, where we can get some relevant clicks and some relevant users to our website. Okay, you can add double quotes to all of the keywords which you are in putting in your keywords pack. Okay, and next we have ads. In ads, first we have final URL. Where does you want to land your customer on your website? In our case, I'm just taking an ideal of this page, but it should be on a landing page URL where your customer needs to be land after clicking on your ad. Okay, and I'm putting this. This is on my landing page. And next we have display path. Display path is something like that which you can speak the service which the services speaks. You can input it here, and it's not clickable. It's only true. So for suppose my client may be speaking about mutual funds, so I can go ahead and input mutual fund or finance related services, something like that. And next we have headlines. We can create 15 headlines in Google Ads and 4 descriptions for each ad. Okay, I have just picked some of the random headlines here. Headline 1, headline 2. Okay, the headline should be only the 30 characters. If it is more than 30 characters, you can split into two and put it in the downside here. Okay, and next, get 5 best mutual funds. Investing. Okay. This is a dynamic search ad. If you need to like, it should be shown the same. Like if you need to show the first of this campaign, you need to pin this here. You can pin wherever you need to show this campaign. You can pin it on the first position and second position and third position wherever you put. Like this, we have to include headlines here. Then the Google will automatically picks based upon the user searched keywords. It automatically rearranges the ad and shows to the user. And next we have descriptions here. And description we have characters limit of 90 characters. Add 2 descriptions. We can add up to 4 descriptions here. And that's it. And next we have site links. Previously it used to called ad extensions. Now it's called ad assets. Let's discuss in next class more about this. And next we have tracking URL, which we discussed in the same campaign URL. And That's pretty much straightforward. You have to create that, and this this is that how our customers can see. And if you need, you can check the previews as well. It will automatically rotates if you have not yet, if you have not yet pinned any of this to the taskbar. Okay, it will automatically rotates the ad. You can check, and you can see how does it shows on the computer. Okay, and if you add any site extents ad assets here, on the down of this campaign the ad assets may be shown, and there are different types of ad assets, so I will make a dedicated video about ad assets. And next, done. Next, click on next on this, and next we have budget. How much the budget need to be selected. Google is automatically recommending some budget to get, and it shows we can get weekly clicks of this, and weekly cost is this, and average CPC is this. In our case, we can go ahead and set some custom budget as well. If you want to spend 500 per day, you can go ahead and set 500 per day, and that's it. After this, you click on next. Sorry, the campaign name. Clicks. Okay, it's not yet taken the campaign name from there. I'm setting up the campaign name in September lead gen campaign. Okay, and then next click on publish, and that's it. Google will take some time to review our campaign, and it will be starts once our campaign has been published. Okay, okay, this is about the search campaign, and next class we can discuss more about site extensions and how to set up conversion trackings. Thank you.